What's up, everyone? It is time once again for the Let's Talk Stock Show! Live. Yeah, I always do this live. And I could easily record it and upload it, but, get you guys involved, get everybody involved. Let's go off the top of the dome, right? No cuts, no edits. Straight up stock talk from the way I see it. Man, I've been going yesterday, right? But today, I'm back, and I usually do this during the market, but I'm running a little late. And for the most part, man, this market is just doing nothing. It's just in a range. I feel that we're going lower. I got the hanky ashy candlesticks going on right now. I don't want to get into that because I can't really explain, but it does, it charts basically doing like the moving averages kind of the price. I'm not good at. You're gonna have to look that up on Wikipedia or something like that. But basically, you can see you got these beautiful green, red, and it kind of once it starts a trend, it kind of continues that way. It helps you see trend a little better if you pull up the weekly on this. You see that is how it's like. These are beautiful green, and that red is there. It's probably not a good time to go long, according to this, until you at least get a green, if not two greens. And it's that simple. Yes, it's that simple. Just waiting for it to turn green. But I've just been slowly taking off shorts. And what I discovered, I'm going to switch charts. Let's go back to the regular candlesticks. There we go. And what I had discovered is, because my Chipotle was the only thing that was hanging in there solid, it kind of failed today, is that in this kind of market, and this is what's kind of giving me signs that we're going lower, because nothing is working. It just seems like anything that is working, it eventually fails. Like, you can't go long in anything because it just seems like the market forces is wanting to take it lower. So we was talking about the range here in the SPX. I was going to pull up the daily on that again. It's just in here. You might have an outer range right here if you want to go with these tails, right? But I kind of had this one in the meat of the range, but that's the range, the inner and outer, let's call it. It's all over the place. It's up, it's down, it's up. A lot of bottoming tails. I should say topping tails. Topping tails up here. I don't know. Anyway, so Chipotle, right? That was hanging in there. It was hanging in there. If you look at it, yeah, this is Chipotle. Today was just, I'm going to go with the hourly so you can see what was happening. Every time the market was down, this thing was up big bucks. I don't know, 2, 3, 4, even up to 7 and 8. And just look at just the other day, this is the 20th, today's the 20th. Just 2 days ago, it was 727. And this thing has been straight line down to 704. It's already down. What is it? So it's about 2%. So I'm like, you know what? This is not even working. If you look at this breakout it had, okay? Can I zoom this in a little bit better? This was a beautiful breakout. It was working, and then it just gave it up. And I'm noticing that's what's happening. It's what happened with Facebook. It's what happened with the Russell. These things are breaking out, and then it just collapses because it can't sustain. It's like the market is just bringing it down. So I think that's what makes me believe that we're going down. We just are. I mean, look. Everything is hanging in there for a trade deal. Who knows why it's hanging in there? And remember also, we're going to have the natural forces of selling may go away. Generally, some people think that's the 1st of May, but it's really the end of May. So we come in the end of May, and now the general market forces, like to go bring the market down lower. Yes, the whole selling May go away. It's just about that time to do that. So is it May holding it up? I know that sounds so simple. Is it May? Cashmatic, Roku. I got out of it today. I had a $200, I think, profit. It was down in the morning, And I just said, yeah, right in there. I was like, you know what? This is giving it up too. I'm out. But I made the profit, so that was cool. And I still like this once everything is going up. That's when I want to kind of mess with this. I'm just frustrated at things giving it up. So be careful with this one. And you see how it's working, just like Facebook, and it's a nice breakout. It's working, but when it stops working, it's still a little too early to tell. This is working though. This is 2 weeks. This is the weekly. This is the 1, 2, third week higher prices. Just watch out. Just be careful, man. If it breaks this line right here, that breakout point, and this thing is probably going to go way down, because those fail breakouts that reverse hard, just like Chipotle trying to do, like Facebook did, like the Russell did. I talk about the same things every day because this is the stocks I follow. So basically, with the SPX, I just sold some calls above. I've been playing with this because of I'm trying to eliminate that single stock risk. Even though once the market picks a direction, this thing is going to move like a single stock, right? We're going to go hard one way or the other. And I don't know which one. Hey, Errol, what's up, man? What's up, Errol? Yeah, I don't know which way. I don't know which way it's going to go. But I'm just guessing that it's heading down. Look at the stochastics right there. I mean, it's not turning yet. Also, the crossover. Where are you at on the daily? This 9 right there. You can see the green line is my 9. The red line is the 50. Right, that's the 50, and you can see right there that was a good buy point, and it stayed above that 50 the whole time, all the way up, man, all the way up. And we just got a crossover in this mess right there. Oh, you can't see that. Can I bring it over here? Right there. Let me get rid of these drawings. Okay, right there. There's the crossover. So, and it's kind of hanging out right in that consolidation, And if you look at, is this an ascending, a descending triangle, a descending wedge, or whatever they call it? I'm trying to descending, a descending wedge, or I'm trying to draw the picture, but like that. See, like that. You see what I'm saying? It's basically a continuation pattern to the downside, right? Because that's the way it was going. And then it kind of wedges and then boom, back down. So, that's it. This is a quick video. Just wanted to talk about these things. And so we're just in range. We just got to wait for the break. There's really nothing to talk about until we get this break. Everything is, and when I say break, one way or the other, one way or the other we going. So just hanging out. Look at it. This is all over the place. The market really has no idea. Look at these gap up, gap down, bottom and tails, top and tails, hammers, dojis, full body candle. This was a great. You figure we was going this day. Nope, we're not. We're right back there. Oh, okay, we're over here. We're just about there. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. All right, man. Thanks everybody for watching. I appreciate you. Stay tuned for tomorrow. I'll try to be back, and maybe we can get some further direction on what's going on. What are you trading? Put it down in the description. And yeah, like I was telling Cashmatic Double D, one of you guys, and I appreciate you guys following me. I'm trying to base everything right here. Yeah. I'm just going to try to make all my money right here. It's been working. I got crazy. If you can see right here, I don't know if you can see. This is all the action I got, right? So I got selling calls, selling put. You can see my curve. It's kind of weird because I got different expirations going. But right now my theta is $56 a day, right? Every time this is every day passes and it increases as it goes along. So about $56, and my delta is -9. So it's on the downside. It's biased to the downside, but not hard. Just 9 deltas. So meaning basically for every point the SPX goes down, I make for every point the XPX go down, I make $9. Yeah, that's how it goes. -9 delta. Anyway, so and vice versa. If it goes up, I lose $9. Anyway, so there it is. What do you think? Look at the weekly. Yeah, it's looking a little toppy. As I've been saying. Look at the monthly. It definitely looks toppy. And remember, the May's almost over. Selling may go away, So I don't know. If you look at it, it almost looks like it just go into a range, a long range. Who knows? If it's a slow consolidation period. If it hangs in there, and the next month kind of, we just in a range, a long, Yeah, that's all. I nobody knows. This is my guess, but a lot of people expected this hard move down because where we came from, but we might not do that. We might just kind of go sideways from here, and then it will probably start to look like a cup and handle. Yeah, that looks good. That always looks good. That usually resolves itself to the upside. Anyway, so thanks for watching, everyone. Appreciate you. Hold on, somebody said something. Check Amazon. Was that you, babe? Check Amazon. I just got an alert that Amazon is selling houses at as low as I think 20,000. Really? I don't know anything about that. But this is anyway. The Dow was down 100, SP down 8. I think I was supposed to have that up. Amazon selling houses. Quick Google live. Amazon is selling entire houses for less than 20,000 with free shipping. I ship a house. Anyway, so this is Market Watch. There are a number of strange but intriguing cabins and homes for sale on the internet giant that are low price but often got big downsides and additional costs. Housing has found a new so I have to. It looks like prefabricated modular homes, maybe log cabin type homes. These homes even hit Amazon and apparently selling out there. Yeah, I don't know what this is about. I don't know if it's a put-together home or what, but yeah, there it is, Market Watch. It's a good site. I like Market Watch. All right, so thanks for watching, everyone. I'm Dre. Let's talk stocks. Check me out tomorrow, and I'll be here. I'll see you. Peace. Da-da-da.